searching for the real thing. With every breath that I am breathing, I'll be searching for the real thing. With every breath that I am breathing, I'll be searching for the real
Today, I promise to love you the way you truly deserve. Promise buhaton ako ang tanan para sa atong pamilya. Para nimo o para sa atong baby nga naa na sa imong tiyan karon. I will treat our family with patience, joy, and laughter.
living in freedom. You've taken my burdens away. Jesus, forever, my song will be only for you.
6 years ago, our story began. Not in the most ordinary way, but in a way that people even talked about. Daghang istorya, daghang pangutana kung giunsa nahimong kita. Pero instead nga maguba ta, those whispers only made us stronger. Kay deep in our hearts, kabaluta nga tinuod ang unsay naata.
Masaya man. Sinapta na lang yung design sa inyo. Ay sasama niyo.
Sa balon ka. Kabalon ako. Salamat guys ning duha sa pagdako sa kuha nga matarong. Daghang salamat sa kinabuhi nga atong sa kuha. Dako ko ani tungod sa inyo. Love you.
Matya.
My song will be only for you. For the cross that you bore and the debt that you paid. For the victory you won over death and the grave. This is the reason I sing. For the hope that you give and the joy that you bring. For the promise that heaven is waiting for me. This is the reason I sing. Yeah. So good, so good. You're so good to me.
Langga, I promise to keep choosing you every single day. In the quiet mornings and the long nights. In the easy times and especially in the hard times. Ikaw raghapon akong pilion. I'll be your strength when you are tired. Your comfort when the world feels heavy. And your biggest supporter in every dream you chase.
For more than 6 years as boyfriend and girlfriend, daghan kayog ups and downs. Pero bisag unsa kalisod, we always find our way back to each other. Kaya wala may lain nga makapuli nimo Jo. Kung naaman, syempre wala na. Masako man ka.
You can take my time. Every prideful second.
Congratulations na love you. Sana maging successful ang ano mo, ang pagkakasal mo, bride, na lagi kang katawag sa Panginoong Diyos, kayong dalawa ng husband.
Ang ako alam yung makatambag sa imo nga, love your family, love your kids, and love your husband. Ug ipatunga gyud, ipasentran ninyo ni ang God ug ang respeto sa isa't isa. I love you na.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, De. I love you so much.
You can take my word.
Bisan pa sa mga lisod nga adlaw sa kinabuhi, I promise to be your partner in this lifetime. Not just as your husband, but as the father of our little one. Buhaton nako ang tanan para mapabati nako nimo nga safe mo, love mo, ug proud mo nga ako ang inyong home. Ug syempre, I promise nga dungagan pa nato na. Salamat Jo sa tanan nga tuig nga gipili ko nimo. From grade 1 to forever. Ikaw ra jud akong kauban.
Lang, our love story is still being written. And I know the best chapters are yet to come. I'm so thankful nga sa matag panit, matag sinugdanan, ug katapusan, naa og ikaw gihapon ako ang kauban. Lang, you are my best friend, my partner, my love, and my forever. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Just to hold you. You can have it. Oh, there's nothing I can keep that could keep me from loving you. And there's nothing else I want, nothing else that's even close to you. There's nothing I could keep that could keep me from loving you. Oh, there's a give and taking, falling in love. You make it easy, you're than I ever thought. I'll give up everything I'm holding on to just to hold you, just to hold you.
Prince Dan and Giselle Kay. Love is not merely a sentiment, it is a daily decision. So that means, kung gusto mo nga may mong successful diya sa inyong kaminyuon, you have to fall in love every day with the same person over and over again.